What are some popular kitchen remodeling trends of 2024? As we delve into 2024, kitchen renovation trends shift towards a blend of innovation, functionality, and sustainability. Smart technologies. Intelligent technologies continue revolutionizing kitchen spaces. Homeowners invest in AI-driven appliances, automation, and voice activation. Remote monitoring and control of appliances synchronized with a smartphone is getting more and more popular. We aren't surprised anymore with fridges that suggest recipes based on available ingredients or faucets with touchless control and water usage monitoring. Innovative technologies contribute to overall convenience and comfort, saving us time that we can spend with the family instead of doing chores. Eco-friendly solutions. Last years are marked with a heightened awareness of the environmental impact of both materials and appliances. Renewable and recycled materials for cabinetry and countertops, energy-saving lighting, and equipment. Homeowners are prioritizing eco-conscious choices to not only reduce their carbon footprint but also create healthier living environments for themselves and future generations. Multifunctional space. In response to changing lifestyles, design experts prioritize multifunctional spaces that adapt to various activities. The kitchen transforms from a place for cooking into a versatile space for work, entertainment, and relaxation. Open concept layouts can integrate kitchen, dining, and living areas. Flexible furniture arrangements, such as movable islands and convertible dining tables, ensure easy customization according to the needs of the moment, be it a dinner party, home office, or a family movie night. Minimalist design. Simplicity reigns supreme in 2024 kitchen designs, with a shift towards minimalist aesthetics. Clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and sleek finishes define contemporary kitchen remodels. White and neutral color palettes remain popular, as well as integrated storage solutions, such as hidden cabinets and pull-out drawers. The key goal is to maximize functionality while maintaining a minimalist look. Personalization. In the era of mass culture, homeowners crave personalized touches that reflect their individuality and lifestyle. Personalization of the kitchen space, from handcrafted tiles and custom-designed cabinetry to statement lighting fixtures, tells an individual story and results in a one-of-a-kind kitchen space. Popular kitchen colors in 2024. In 2024, kitchen colors reflect the contemporary fusion of warmth and sophistication. Soft shades of warm gray, creamy white, gentle taupe, and beige continue to dominate and can complement a variety of design styles. You can personalize the timeless background with bold pops of color, like deep blue or dark wood. Vibrant accents on backsplashes or cabinetry infuse character and energy into the heart of the home. Additionally, earthy tones like terracotta and rusty oranges are gaining momentum, evoking a sense of connection to nature and fostering a cozy, inviting atmosphere. One thing is clear: eco-friendly materials, smart technological solutions, and personalized touches are the key elements of kitchen remodeling trends. At Groisman Construction, we transform ordinary outdated kitchens into one-of-a-kind functional and inviting spaces.